Hello everybody, I'm Alexander from René of Paris and Aderans, and today I'm going to be styling with you. And today you are with me at home, and I'm going to be styling Lavish Waves in Lunar Haze. So here she is, Lavish Waves in Lunar Haze. And I think I want to take the hair off the face to begin with. So I'm coming in with the René of Paris wire brush. Now, if you were only to get one styling item ever and you're a wig wearer, this brush is absolutely out of this world. I mean, I'm a hairdresser, not just a wig hairdresser, and I use this brush on all of my clients, whether it be for wigs or bio hair, whichever. It's an amazing brush. So, okay, so first off, I'm just combing her hair off her face. I just want to kind of brush the wave out just a little bit as well, the curl pattern. Work the first little ponytail, which I'm going to take the top section. Make sure you've got all the hair that you need. You can see both sides are down, and I'm just holding section like so. And then the first small section is going to go in using a clear band. So, and just because it's not too much hair within this, I'm going to wrap it around 3 times within this band, and that's how she should look from the front. Just with your fingers like so, just pulling the hair out a little bit to create a bit of a rock quiff as such. So then from the side we then have this kind of effect. Taking a section from this side and then a section from this side. Don't worry about seeing the mesh of the wig for now, because that will all go once we style up. Just flatten that for now. And what we need to do is to create with another clear band. Put the clear band in, working with all that lovely texture of Lavish still. And then what we do is return. This wants to come out like this, look, but what we're not doing, and this is the important bit, is we're not flipping that hair fully over. So you can try put some body in here like so, and if you'd like to, what you can do, if you'd like to, you can even put like this little bobby pin at the root here, which I probably would recommend just to make it nice and firm before you start dressing the whole hairstyle out. So let me just take this like so. So we've got this for now, this kind of effect. Start manipulating this shape now and start, creating as much or as little texture as I need. Pulling this out so we get this really interesting, almost like, it's almost like we're getting a bit of a Mohican style towards this. Again, what I want you to do is take the sections from outside, look like this, okay? So, and then what we want you to do, look, is again with the clear bands. If you remember, we go through here. Now, this is the area which we puff out. So, and we want to put the grips in this area. So, the bobby pins coming into the side. So bobby pin that you can start putting those finishing touches with your texture in there. She's looking like this so we're getting these lovely hair balls, if you like, with all that lovely texture in there. Remember, I think you've got the gist now. So this one coming over, okay, so she's coming over like this. We're putting the lovely little clear bobbles in. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 this time, because the lower we go down, the thinner the hair becomes. And remember what we were doing, just moving that out, and then we pin the sides in. Okay, so let's get our hairstyle really nice and secure. I think is probably going to be the best things. I think this is looking really effective, you know, really, really effective from over that way. And then we need to do just this final little hairball to make the finishing result. Again, this one, and I'm putting this through, so I just keep wrapping this hair. Now, remembering what I need to do, like I did with the other ones, is puff that kind of through, push it through itself, and then kind of give us that bit of texture. So I'm like pulling this through, do you see? So I'm pulling that through, so we get this beautiful mohawky style finish. Check the balance, so make sure that the balance is working everywhere. Now remember I said I wanted almost like a semi mohawk hairstyle, didn't I? So I wanted like that to come around like this, like this, like this. So that is Lavish Waves in Lunar Haze, styled with the hairballs into a party mohawk. I would like to say to everybody back at home, thank you for tuning in today. I'm Alexander from René, Paris and Aderans. If you like what you've seen today, please like and share it, and send us some comments. If there's anything you'd like to see in the future, please let us know, whether it be from myself, Alexander, or Danny, the Texas Wig Fairy, or Abby, our alopecia ambassador. We'd love to be able to show you whatever you want to see at home. But from me, Alexander, and all of us here at René, Paris and Aderans, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye now. Thank you.